Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to set up simple WeChat. First, press the B key on your keyboard. This opens your chat window. Let's go to the settings. Here's the chat volume for people around you. This is your microphone volume. Here's the mic activation. I currently have it set to activate by button. You can set it to voice activated mode too. There. Next is audio for better sound effects. You'll know where sounds are coming from. It's a pretty good feature. Choose your mic and speakers or headphones here. This is your group chat with friends. This hides all chat icons like so. Here you can mute other people. That's all folks. Check out our Telegram channel. See ya.